In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a tag color and delete a tag in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and go to any task that already contains the tag you want to manage. This is important because you'll be making changes directly from inside the task where that tag appears. Once the task is open, look for the tags field in the task details and click on it. This will open the tag options and let you view the tags currently attached to that task. Next, find the specific tag you want to edit. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct one, especially if your workspace uses several similar tags. Once you've found it, click the three-dot menu beside that tag. This menu gives you access to extra actions related to the tag. From the menu, select Change Color. After that, choose the new color you want to use for the tag. Pick a color that helps you organize your workspace clearly and makes the tag easier to recognize at a glance. When you've selected the new color, click anywhere outside the menu to save the change. That will apply the updated color to the tag. If you also want to remove a tag completely, the process is just as simple. Click the Tags field again to reopen the list of tags. Then locate the tag you want to delete and click the three-dot menu beside it. This opens the same options menu you used earlier, but this time you'll choose Delete Tag. After selecting Delete Tag, a confirmation prompt will appear. Click Delete to confirm that you want to remove the tag. This final step ensures that the tag is deleted intentionally, helping prevent accidental changes. Once confirmed, the tag will be removed. As you go through this process, it's a good idea to double-check the tag before deleting it, especially if it's used for organization across multiple tasks. Changing a tag color can be a helpful way to improve visibility, while deleting a tag can help keep your workspace clean and uncluttered. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to update a tag's color and how to delete a tag in ClickUp quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching.